pwede ko pala i-highlight yan. See? Ang haba ng ads. The ads are longer than videos. Yes, of course. Your videos, I think, is only 3 minutes. I did play today lot videos from friends, but OMG, one video was 30 minutes plus 15 minutes and 4 and 2 minutes ads. I got 14 million. Shout out, guys. I'm gonna shout out Modi from PDB Walk. May Momo yung live ko. Hindi ko pa naranasan yung Momo na 100 viewers, 200 viewers. 15 million. Shout out. 24 hours in a day is too short. Too much videos. See, just now, you're playing your video. 3 minutes and 59. Then your ads is 5 minutes. Almost. Diba? Uy, masakit. Ngayon ko lang nabasa yung message ni Sir Danilo. Sabi niya, uy, masakit yung tattoo na yan. May tattoo ka na ba, Sir Danilo? Na-experience mo na ba? May gonna shout out everyone. The HNB. Yes, and I miss still much premieres today from much member. Because you have work, no? How come you support some premiere, no? You have work. 11. Shout out. Sino next pin natin, guys? Saan na yun? Ano? Binaba ako. Sis Modi, thank you ha. Nandiyan ka pa ba, Sis Modi? Buti to. Mga maiksi lang ng video niya yung ni Modi. 4 minutes. No, ano daw? I try be relaxed, but it's stress. It's my day off. Thursday again. Work till 3 a.m. Nakaka-stress mo mag-support, no? No, sis Modi, 4 minutes na yung mga video mo. 4 minutes, 10 minutes. Ayan. Hi, Nelby Official. Shout out. May mga mumong tumatambay sa akin, guys. Modi lol.